this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set your programs to open automatically whenever you start or restart your computer. Now, this method works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. So to make one program or multiple programs to open automatically whenever you start your computer, it is quite easier. All you need to do is to go to your start menu here and then click on search bar here and then search using the word run, and run is here. And this will open our command prompt here. Go ahead and type in shell :startup, just as one word, and then click on OK. Now this will open a folder where we can add all the programs that we want to automatically open or launch on startup. So for instance, I want to add Opera Browser, Google Chrome, and VLC Media Player because these are the programs that I frequently use, and I'll just like them to launch or start whenever I open my computer. Now what you need to do is to add these programs here, and we can simply add them by just going to the shortcuts. For instance, here is my VLC program. I'll just go ahead and add it by right clicking on it, then click on copy, and then come and paste it here. Then I'll go to the next program, which is Google Chrome. I'll right click on it, then copy, and then come paste it here. Now I'm remaining with one program, and that is Opera Browser. However, I don't have Opera Browser on my shortcuts, so I'll have to go ahead and search it. And for this, I'll just click on Start menu and then search Opera Browser, and here it is. And then right click on it, and then click on this option called Open File Location. If you click on the file location, it will take you to your file location, and you can see Opera Browser is here. So I'll also add it here by just right clicking on it, then click on copy, and then come to our startup folder and then paste it here just like that, and it will be added. So for my case, I want to add only these three. For your case, you can add as many as you want, and that will be done. Once you have added all of them, just go ahead and close this. And now from here, each time you open your computer, all the programs that you added on that startup list will go ahead and launch automatically. So that's how you do it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.